People of sustainable stand up, please welcome to the stage the beautiful and awesome Hannah. Woohoo!
Hi everyone, I'm Hannah. I'm in London. I work in the construction sector. I think it's great and you should all join. I'm a recovering Arsenal football fan and I grew up in Essex. The women from Essex have a certain reputation. Typically bleach blonde, not so bright, and fun-loving. Please can you note that I'm using the phrase fun-loving in case my parents ever watch this. So I'm going to dispel some of those myths for you. So fact number one, we are not all bleach blonde anymore. Thanks to the lockdown closure of hairdressers, I'm now more of a light brown on top. Fact number two, women from Essex are smart and have been for centuries. In the 17th century, Essex-born and bred Margaret Cavendish wrote one of the first ever science fiction novels called A Description of a New World. Florence Attridge, also from Essex, used to build secret radios used by the resistance during World War II. I think she was making the radios for the good guys. I have a degree in political science. I've presented to the Scottish Parliament on future skills in construction, and I'm about to start a policy fellowship with the Royal Academy of Engineering. Fact number three, the fact you've all been waiting for. My husband and I like rabbits. In fact, my boyfriend and I are at it like rabbits. Anyway, being an Arsenal fan back in the day used to mean real fun. I grew up under the Invincibles, an unbeaten team, with the gorgeous Thierry Henry coming up the rear of the field on the pitch. My sisters and I used to spend hours posing by the TV alongside Arsenal trophies. And Arsenal just aren't the team they used to be. They've gone from being like the Pfizer vaccine will protect you from COVID and will give you an erection, being like Russia's Sputnik jab will protect you from COVID, and you're now programmed to vote for Russia at the next Eurovision Song Contest. Arsenal just don't win like they used to. So to replace this dwindling rush of football-related testosterone in my life, I ended up in a job in construction. I love it. I work for the UK government to transform the construction sector. In construction, much like Arsenal, needs a transformation. It's, again, much like Arsenal, typically dominated by men and not that well regarded. It needs some new players on the field. It needs some women from Essex to shake it up. So part of what I'm doing is transforming how buildings are made. For example, by reducing the carbon and improving the efficiency of cement. So for some people, this isn't interesting. They say it's like watching paint dry. But for me, it's all about watching cement set. We have some fantastic innovations in the sector, although I admit we need to tell a stronger story of them. At the moment, it's a lot of BIM, DFMA, AI, and I'm told I need to stop using complex acronyms ASAP. Ironically, one of the ways that we're encouraging more people to come and join the sector and improve the gender balance is by increasing our use of artificial intelligence and robots in the workforce as well. Now, as part of the new Dream Team for construction innovation, I can get excited about things like helping the UK meet its net zero carbon emissions by 2050 by changing the way that we build homes. Kind of like when I was young and I wanted Arsenal's opponents to score net zero against us. And I get to play with laser wielding robots, which I sometimes dress up in Thierry Henry's shorts. And of course, all of this, I promise you, is 100% more entertaining than Arsenal's 0-0 draw against Burnley recently. Because it turns out winning teams aren't always on the football field. Winning teams come from Essex. They write science fiction novels, they build secret radios, they work in construction. Bleach blonde, super smart, fun-loving ladies from Essex. Thank you.
Woohoo! Big round of applause. So you all know what to do. Please turn on your camera. Please unmute, and let's give a big whoop and a holler for the lovely Hannah. Woohoo!
Thank you.
Nicely done. Excellent. Thank you all very much.